a physical scrub. A physical scrub?
Have you lost your freaking mind?
So let's get the obvious out of the way first. Yes, this is a physical scrub. But bear! Physical scrubs are the spawns of Satan. They cause microtrauma to the skin and only an idiot would recommend them. Just look at the reaction to Kylie Jenner trying to promote hers. Calm down. No need to panic. It is a physical scrub, but it's nothing like the abrasive scrubs that used to be recommended. It's not made from plastic beads or, God forbid, apricot seeds. No, what we have here is a micro scrub using extremely fine ground rice. Think of it like sandpaper if you've ever done woodwork or prepared surfaces for painting. You use the coarse grain to get the most of the surface prepped, a medium grain, and then finally a very fine grit to give a perfectly smooth finish. No one with any sense still uses harsh physical scrubs to their face, so instead we use mild acid exfoliants, be that BHA, AHA, glycolic or whatever. This Dermalogica product is the final finish, and it is mild enough to use every single day. Straight up guys, when I used this for the first time, it was a game changer for me. I had used exfoliators of various types over the years, and yes, the skin felt fresh and smooth. But when I used this, wow. It was absolutely amazing for basically polishing the skin to a perfectly smooth finish. After completing your morning wash, or if you're like me, it's a double cleanse, you pour a little water in your hand, sprinkle a very small amount of the product into the water and mix it to a paste. Now using your fingertips, gently massage it around your face and neck. As you do, the fine powder melts, releasing enzymes and alpha hydroxy acids. The darkness of the powder comes from the charcoal, which acts as a purifier. There's even niacinamide, which is proving hugely popular in skincare now for its ability to even skin tone. I use this every morning and the results feel amazing. The only day I skip using this is on a Sunday, which is when I use a stronger acid peel. Dermalogica produce some of my favourite skincare products, and at least one of their products is always in my daily routine. They are that good. Should you try this product? Yes, absolutely you should. The only downside is, like the rest of Dermalogica's range, it's not cheap. There are two sizes available, and this is their travel size, which costs £18. There's a lot for this amount, just 13 grams, but as you use a tiny amount, you can get a couple of months use easily. So have you tried this, or are you tempted to? Let me know in the comment sections below. Hope you liked the video. If so, please take a moment to give it a thumbs up, it really does help the channel. I produce new videos every week, so make sure to click subscribe and hit that notification bell if you haven't done already. I'm Bear Clark, and I'll see you again real soon.